Good morning, y'all. I made some pancakes this morning, and I am cutting up some strawberries to make strawberry compote. That's what my mom used to cook. I don't know. But yeah, we're going with strawberries. Strawberries down. Yes, they were frozen, so they're definitely making juice. I got a tripod for it, and I got these strings to hang. But yeah, and I got this little piece. This is for the SD card. just trying to work it out and see how good it works. I'm gonna start taking it with me so I won't have to hold my phone. It's so light. It's so lightweight. I love it. I love it. So cute. And what's the name of it? It's called Q7CCD digital camera. It's 180 degrees. And yeah, I like it, y'all. It's just something for right now. And I can hold it any direction. It can go this way or this way. So yeah, I think I'm going to take it to the flower shop because I want to get some veggies. I'm going to try and get me some new veggies. I love it, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey. This is my meal prep that I made with a piece of steak, some homemade Kool-Aid, y'all. I just been getting Kool-Aid lately. I haven't had it in so long. It tastes so good, and the biscuits are fried, and the skillets of my oven is broken, and that is my lunch. All right, y'all. I am back. I had to get me a new one of these. But that Swell Daddy, I done worked that over. I need something rough. Yeah. This is really disgusting. Like, oh my God. I said, look, that look good compared to how it was. All right, y'all, I'm done for the day. All right, y'all, we here at the car wash. Getting this car washed. Oh my God, look at my damn window thing, my mirror. My God. Oh, I got to get that taken care of. Y'all see it hanging on. My husband did it. I already know and won't admit it. I'm gonna take care of it when I go get my oil change. All right, y'all, this is how the backyard looks, a mess. I'm about to do a little cleaning and then move fruit things around for now. But yeah, I want to get these sticks out the yard, rake a little bit, and move a few things. All right, y'all, I got this dirt, field, iron pig, moved it, got all the garbage out, get my veggies. Also, the garden bed is set up. I just gotta go get my goodies and put in here. I got as much as the the roots and all that out. It looks really good. I put it all the way up to the top so it can have enough. And yeah, over there, the gazebo is gonna be over here. And I might put the fire pit right there. I don't know, but I gotta get some grass seeds and all that good stuff. So yeah, I like how it look. I put it on this wood from the old garden. And yeah, I think it looks good. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Up, getting ready. Did a little something, something. You know, got my hair looking. I didn't like it, so I cut some more. I gotta get a lining, nice fade in the back. But I am loving how it turned out. Like, yes. Like, it's turning out really good. See, this right here, I don't like. It's like that on both sides. That's why I did a little trickaroo, you know. But everywhere else, I'm loving it. I am loving it. I mean, look at how that looks. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it, y'all. But I need a little fade in the back and a little lining. I need my eyebrows done. I can't get my nails done, y'all. This is how they gonna be. And they need to grow a little bit, but I can't have nails. Not like I used to. So I'm gonna try to get me some nail hardener, nail treatment, so they can grow a little bit, so I can have a little something. But other than that, they need to be like this. So you see that little nail? Being in the medical field, y'all know how it is, especially taking care of people. So, and I know in the hospital they gonna be like, cause they was looking at me when I had an interview. My nails was long. They was looking like, yeah, them gotta go. Yeah. So. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, I like these. They look so realistic. And I don't have to water anything. Pretty. So cute. That I want to put up over there. Let's hang those up too. Ooh, I got this one up high, y'all. Alright guys, how do y'all like it? I love it. Look at that. They look so cute. Look at that. They look so good. Oh, everything is coming together. I gotta put my stuff up. And yeah, I got the door open, getting some of that good air. I'm finna light a candle. And yeah, put this stuff up. I love my little swing that's going outside in the backyard with my little gnomies. So let me take care of this and I'll come back.